I'm leased with New Waverly because they let me operate my business on my own. They find the loads, they schedule the loads. I can focus primarily on driving and operating the truck.
The good people, the revenue, good home time, the routes and stuff, they give you. If you want to run long or short, Midwest or up north somewhere, this is the right company.
I usually start Sunday evening, Sunday afternoon, so that I make a delivery Monday morning. They'll dispatch me onto another load, and I stop usually Friday afternoon, and then that gives me the whole weekend at the house.
They offered me the equipment that I wanted, the running area that I wanted. They made it sound very appealing, and so far it has been.
You want to drive for a really good company? New Waverly Transportation is the trucking company.
Give New Waverly a call. From everyone I've talked to, they've had a heartfelt feel to them. It doesn't sound like they're saying what they think you want to hear. They're actually speaking the truth.